British Columbia. British Columbia is located in the western coast of Canada. Its name was given by Queen Victoria in 1858. Victoria is its capital and the largest city in Vancouver. It evolved from British colonies into present-day British Columbia by 1871. It is also a component of the Pacific Northwest along with Washington and Oregon. British Columbia, according to 2013 report, houses a population of about 4.6 million, out of which 2.5 million come from Vancouver alone.
Want to go on a trip? Friends are busy? Need a travel companion? Don't worry, now you can connect with travelers traveling to the same destination on Exceeders.com. All you need to do is join your city club and publish your trip plan with travel dates and place you are planning to visit. That's it. Verified tourists, travelers, and backpackers looking for travel partners to the same destination will contact you.
Top tourist sites in British Columbia. Whistler. The Whistler Ski Resort, located at the foot of the Whistler and Blackcomb Mountains, is the biggest hub for winter sports in Canada. It gained much international attention after it hosted the downhill ski events for the Winter Olympic Games in 2010. Besides this, the region is well known for hosting other activities like biking, golfing, and is generally a beautiful place with abundant scenery. Also, the Whistler Village is an upscale modern town which has many top hotels, restaurants, and shops. Yoho National Park. The Yoho National Park houses some of the most rugged and scenic mountain terrain that can be found in British Columbia. It is surrounded by snow-capped peaks, rivers, waterfalls, and clear lakes. It is a popular spot for hikers and backpackers. You can go further up the peak towards Takako Falls, one of the highest falls in North America. Okanagan Valley. The Okanagan Valley is a lush, sunny valley adorned with lakes, beaches, orchids, and rolling mountains. The 120-kilometer Lake Okanagan forms the heart of the region. It has become a popular retirement destination because of its hot, dry summers and mild winters. You will also come across various activities that are available in the region, like houseboating and golfing. Butchart Gardens. The Butchart Gardens are located in an old quarry, which makes for a unique, dramatic setting. The place houses an impressive collection of plants, trees, and flowers. The place has a mild climate and is located just outside Victoria. The entire garden covers an area of about 20 hectares and features themed gardens and waterworks. Queen Charlotte Islands, Haida Gwaii. It is one of the hidden treasures of Canada. The Queen Charlotte Islands area is a storehouse of cultural and natural beauty. It also goes by the name Haida Gwaii and comprises of an isolated group of 150 islands in the Pacific Ocean, which occupy the western edge of the continental shelf. The two major islands are Graham and Moresby. They are located 50 kilometers and 150 kilometers away, respectively, from the coast of British Columbia. Salt Spring Island. Salt Spring Island is located between Victoria and Nanaimo. It hosts a small population and is popularly known for its laid-back bohemian lifestyle. You will find many artist studios, markets selling homemade products, quirky stores, trinket stores, and beautiful scenery around the island. For walks and camping, there is a provincial park. Kootenay National Park. It is located in the southeastern region of British Columbia and lays adjoining to the popular Banff National Park and Yoho National Park. The main mountain range in the Kootenay National Park reaches up to a height of 3,000 meters. The general scenery is occupied by rugged rocky ridges and narrow gorges which are seen cutting deep into marble limestone. The main highlight in this region are the hiking rail around the Sinclair Pass, the Stanley Glacier, and the narrow gorge of Marble Canyon. Hell's Gate Air Tram in the Fraser Canyon. It is located about a 3-hour drive away from Vancouver. It is home to one of the most impressive gorges in Canada. The raging waters of the Fraser River push through narrow passes that lie between vertical rocky walls called Hell's Gate. Baskerville Historic Town. This town has an interesting history. People flocked here in 1858 when news spread that gold had been found in the fluvial sand of the Fraser River. It was the largest town west of Chicago and north of San Francisco, up until the time it burned down in 1868. However, after the town was rebuilt, people left once the gold rush was over. It was now mostly inhabited by settlers and lumberjacks.